How to download Webpage for offline use. First, open the web page in your browser, such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. To save the complete web page with all its content, simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. A save window will appear, where you can choose the folder or location where you want to store the file. After that, change the file type to Webpage Complete and click Save. This will create an HTML file along with a separate folder containing images, styles, and other web page files. Later, even without an internet connection, you can open the HTML file and view the web page offline. If you only want to save the content for reading purposes, there is another simple method. Press Ctrl+P to open the print menu. Then change the printer option to Save as PDF and click Save. This converts the web page into a PDF file that you can easily open anytime without internet access. This method is useful for articles, notes, or important information you want to keep on your computer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.